Trubor nakaslem jong Nongsaiñ Hima. Manomtut kakam kajam emar kajingram biang ke boarding. One shaka orange electricals loan sopo nongbah nakabenta ki diesel generator.
Myntri Rangbah ke jylla Conrad K Sangma haringkat usembut Myntri Rangbah ba Preston Tensong haksingi Balang ke ïakynduh ke Myntri Sorkar Pdeng beri peit ke tyngka ke Nirmala Sitharaman nongbah New Delhi hakabau la dawa ban Pynkiew ke bhah ba Aisha ke Meghalaya nagi khajna belum dak Sorkar Pdeng nalor kata Conrad ula kerpat ke Myntri ban yarap iki bank ba peniat dak Sorkar bat ban bu shu iki bank iki jaka nonggendong jong ke jylla Shushu Conrad ulai ïakynduh yu Myntri berdepay ikatunat animal husbandry fisheries but dairying Ugiraj Singh balai keren bat Pynkiew ki kamri jingri bat kiwei khnang bat Pynkiew ya gayok kakot Myntri Rangbah ulai ru badi ïakynduh yu Arjun Megwal belong away ni ki Myntri khana balai keren halor ke jimbanan kam ki kali bapenan kam nak boarding lane ki electric vehicle kamtam nak benta ban kiet ya ki pat ba
Yes, along with the Honorable Deputy Chief Minister, I had gone and met a number of cabinet ministers and Government of India today. Primarily, we had a meeting with our Honorable Minister of Finance, Government of India, Mrs. Nirmala Sitharaman ji, and I discussed about the different financial situations that is there in the state, the fact that due to COVID and the impact on the economy, our taxes have been affected a lot. Our taxes from the central government have also been affected, and hence I requested her to look into the possibility of increasing or at least giving us the amount which is projected in the budget in terms of the taxes. So those matters were discussed, and Madam has assured that she will definitely examine the matter and look into it. At the same time, I had a discussion also about the banking infrastructure and the fact that we need to increase the number of banks. Madam has also agreed to definitely look into this in a very positive manner. Apart from that, I had a meeting with the Minority Affairs Minister, Mr. Nakwi, and we discussed in detail regarding the PA Sangma Stadium in Tura, and I thanked him and the ministry for sanctioning that project, and I also informed him that the tendering process has already started and we should be able to allot the work in the next month and a half. Apart from that, we had also requested and discussed about the possibility of having a project for an auditorium in Garo Hills in Tura, and he has given us a very positive reply to that too. At the same time, we discussed about the possibility of putting a training center for paramedical staff, and I think in the situation in COVID, this is something that's really required, and this would be a hub and it would be a skill institute which would cater to the entire Northeast. And the Honorable Minister was very happy to see this proposal from our side, and he has assured that he will definitely look into